Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting how-to video. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to set up your pastel icons if you are running Pervasive Client server. Pervasive server will be installed on the server machine, while Client 32 will be installed on all of your workstation machines. If the server machine can open without any errors, but you are receiving an error code 20 or a status 116 on your workstations, this could be because the start-in for your pastel icon is set to the local drive and not the map drive. In order to check this, we would advise that you hold the Windows key and E on your keyboard to access your File Explorer and then select this PC. Check the drive letter that you have mapped to access the pastel folder on the server. In this case, this would be my P drive. Next, highlight your pastel icon that you use to open the program. Right-click and select Properties. You can see that the start-in is my local drive under the Shortcuts tab. Delete the information and enter your map drive letter, followed by the backspace. This is the slash leaning backward. You would then select Apply and OK. You then need to try to open your pastel application. Should this fail, hold the Windows key and E on your keyboard and navigate to this PC. Double-click on the drive letter to access the files on the server, and scroll down until you get to the partner icon. Once you get to the partner icon, right-click and click on Show More Options. Then select Send To and select Desktop. This will place the partner icon on your desktop with the correct start-in. You can then try to access the system again.